Hi, my name is Uncle, and I'm 10 years old. I will be at the 100% English urban camp.
Hi, my name is Marco, and I'm 10 years old. And I'm going to be in the English summer camp with these two friends.
Hi, my name is Guillaume. I'm 8 years old, and we're gonna be at the camp.
Oceans and forests, the air we breathe, the sounds all around us.
At this camp, we do craft activities, battle the band, science experiments, and lots of other cool stuff. For example, we made a craft activity with a bow made from a simple string, a PVC tube, and an arrow with a stick.
In this camp, we're going to do very cool stuff, like this catapult that you put a ball inside here and you throw it, and it throws it very well.
To limit our footprint so life is maintained. The challenge for us.
This year I repeat, and last year I made a lot of friends.
On a culture of change, we're in this forever, building a home.
And this year, we are going to do lots of cool stuff. We do new stuff, and sometimes do very cool stuff every day. And remember, that's ideas.
In this camp, we have a lot of fun, play a lot of games, and make a lot of friends, all in English.
Hello, my name is Amy. I'm 9 years old, and I'm so excited to go to the camp 100% in English.
Hello, my name is Diego, and I'm 7 years old, and I'm excited to go to the camp 100% in English.
Hello, my name is Sandy. I'm going to do to go to the camp. Last year, I was in the camp and I made so many friends, a lot of friends.
Last year I was in the camp and I made so many friends.
Remember last year when we launched those water bottle rockets?
Yes, I remember when yours went like it was going to go very high, but then it went boom.
And it fell over. Right, Guillaume? And what else did we do? Oh, we made a bow and arrow.
Ah, yes,
You see, it's so fun.
yes. Me and Angel were the ones that went the furthest.
And we made catapults.
Yes,
And it was a whole lot of fun, right?